all regulating us final arrived, and we are in Kandia field right now. The weather is a little bit cold, but the temperature of all cricket levels is very hot because of SSPL Season 7. And the first match will be played between Max Side and Kandia Navatra. Match referee, both umpire and both captain, all are in for the toss, and the time is coming to the toss. Here is the call, and here it is. Toss is something. Kandia Navatra toss is the revenue something to ball first. The summer match, the bullet of the current for which
we teach this one then our batsman ball ochindi ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ 100 ଭିତରେ ରୋକିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁ
बैटिंग नवा चाहिए बैटिंग करे पे हमको जो कराए चाहिए कितने रन टारगेट सेट करना चाहिए विपक्ष टीम सब करे 100 ରୁ 100 कोटी स्टॉप ब्लॉक आकाश एवं टॉस विल सर्च न्यूज फ्रॉम द सेंटर Kandia Navatra on the toss and